Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Here, scroll down, tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on General. And here we have Vibration Intensity option. Tap on it. And right here we can scroll up and down. Select the intensity we like. For example, let's select High. And then tap Confirm. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.